In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Taskbar apps in Windows 11. Suppose you need to remove this Task View app from the taskbar. Normally, we right-click on a pinned app in the taskbar and click on Unpin from Taskbar to remove it from the taskbar. But if I right-click on the Task View app, nothing happens. It's because the Task View app is not an external application. It is built in by the system. To remove it, right-click on the taskbar. In the pop-up menu, click on Taskbar Settings. Here, in the taskbar items, you can see the apps that are bound to the system. Turn off the Task View app and close the window. Here, you can see that we have successfully removed the Task View app from the taskbar.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.